Welcome to our video where you'll discover how to truly make money using the Chinese mini excavator. Make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Every interaction is essential for us to keep bringing you amazing content. In this video, we're going to explore the surprising range of services you can perform with this machine. From cleaning gardens around houses and clearing agricultural land, to removing tree roots and planting new trees. We'll also show you how to dig trenches for water pipes, handle plumbing work, install electrical cables, grate concrete floors in garages using a powerful hydraulic hammer, and load debris onto trailers. Everything is designed to help you learn how to make money in a simple and safe way. Our narration is dynamic and packed with valuable tips that will completely transform the way you work. Pay close attention to every detail, because throughout the video, we reveal a game-changing secret that can boost your profits like never before. Don't miss a second, as each moment brings a new insight on how to make money with this powerful machine. Watch until the end, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your participation is essential for us to keep creating top-quality content and help you turn knowledge into real money. Let's go on this journey toward financial success with the Chinese mini excavator.